Good morning, class 7. Today we are going to start the last topic of peripheral devices, that is output devices. Output devices. Output devices are the devices through which we get the results of and process data. The computer uses result to communicate with the user, which means it receives data or instruction from the input devices in a high level language and passes it to CPU for further processing. The different types of output devices are visual display unit, printer, LCD projector. First, visual display unit. A visual display unit is one of the most common output device. A video is similar to a television screen having a cathode ray tube, CRT. A cathode ray tube consists of three main parts: electron gun, deflecting plate, fluorescent screen. A cathode ray tube is used to convert digital signal into visual signal. LCD screen also used as VDU. It needs less power and does not radiate heat at the time of operation. Next output device is printer. Children, you must have seen printer in your home or in school. Printer is divided into two parts: impact printer, non-impact printer. Impact printer, daisy wheel, dot matrix. Non-impact printer are of three types: inkjet printer, thermal printer, laser printer. Now we will see what are impact printer and non-impact printer. Impact printer. It forms characters by striking a print hammer against an ink ribbon. It uses either ribbon or carbon paper. It makes noise while printing. Impact printer has a very low printing quality. Example: dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer. Whereas non-impact printer, it forms character without making direct contact with the paper. It uses ink cartridge. It prints smoothly on the paper. Children, you must have seen laser printer in our computer lab. That is the best example of non-impact printer. It works noiselessly and printing quality is very high. Inkjet printer is one more example of non-impact printer. Secondary storage device. We need some devices where we can store the data or instruction permanently for future use. These devices are known as secondary storage devices or storage media. Types of secondary storage devices are hard disk, floppy disk, CD-ROM, DVD, pen drive, Blu-ray disc. But in this chapter, children, we will discuss about hard disk. Hard disk. It is one of the most useful and popular storage device. A hard disk pack consists of a number of great circular plates coated with iron oxide. As you can see in the image, hard disk is divided into track, sector track and cluster. These circular plates are mounted on a common spindle and this pack is rotated at the high speed. The disk surface contains circular path called tracks. Each track is further divided into sector and form the cluster when combined. The data is recorded on the disk through a red write head which resembles a record player. The information that comes from CPU is recorded digitally in form of 0 and 1. The storage capacity of hard disk is 500 GB or more. Thank you, children. I hope you have understood this chapter very well. Till then, stay home as much as you can. Keep a safe distance. Wash your hands frequently.